Notice 1. For beginners, please adjust the video playback speed to 0.5 times or 0.7 times for your better understanding. 2. Please try to make it according to the size we provide, and tighten the pipe cleaners. Otherwise, the proportion may be poor, or the material may not be enough. 3. If the first attempt is unsuccessful, please disassemble and try again. The materials can be repeatedly disassembled and reassembled.
Hello everyone, let's make a calico kit together. Take out the pipe cleaner. Unfold it. When measuring, use the inner wire as the reference, not the outer fuzz. Using the wire as the reference will be more accurate. Bend at 2 3/4 inches. Approximately 7 cm. Bend at 4 3/4 inches. At approximately 12 cm. Pinch the bends with your fingers. Wrap it twice around your index finger. Then twist the two bends together. Position this side facing forward. Insert the pipe cleaner from top to bottom through the middle hole. Pull it out. Our length is about 5/8 of an inch. Equivalent to 1.5 cm. Make the other ear using the same method. Insert the pipe cleaner from top to bottom through the middle hole. Try to keep this ear still. Both ears should be at the same height. You can double check the length. For the next steps, try to pull tighter. A pipe cleaner goes from behind in between the two ears. Then wraps around the left ear. Wraps again over the right ear. And goes out from between the two ears. Pass through the middle hole from top to bottom. Pull it out. Next, twist the pipe cleaner from the right to the back around the middle between the two ears. And pass through the middle hole from top to bottom. Tighten. Then, from the left, wrap to the back around the middle between the two ears, and pass through the middle hole from top to bottom. If passing through is difficult, use an AWL to slightly enlarge the hole. Tighten. Then, twist the two pipe cleaners below tightly. Next, adjust the shape of the mouth. Find the two horizontal pipe cleaners. 1, 2. Pass out from behind the two pipe cleaners. And fold upwards. Insert an accessory here. To mark the front. For easier reference during crafting. Flip to the back. Locate the two slanted pipe cleaners. Gently squeeze them inward. To make the back of the head fuller. Flip back to the front. Next, begin making the body. Adjust the pipe cleaner to facilitate measurement. Bend at 4 inches. Approximately 10 centimeters. Pinch the bend with your fingers. Fold and twist tightly. Make slight adjustments to ensure both sides are symmetrical. Next, make the legs. Similarly, bend it 4 inches. Equivalent to 10 cm. Pinch the bend with your fingers. Fold in half and twist to secure. Adjust for symmetry. Normally, the lengths of the arms and legs are consistent. If there is a significant difference in length, you can disassemble and return to the previous step. Then measure again. Next, begin wrapping the body. Twist the pipe cleaner diagonally upward over the left shoulder. Flip to the back. Vertically downward. Wrap around the leg. Then, twist diagonally upward over the right shoulder. Vertically downward. There are 2 cross pipe cleaners on the front chest. There are 2 vertical pipe cleaners on the back. Wrap the pipe cleaner upward. Wrap the remaining pipe cleaner around the body. Try to keep it tight during wrapping. Near the end, you can untwist the knot of this pipe cleaner. Wrap it around the neck. This way, the entire structure is properly twisted. Adjust the posture. Position both arms forward. Adjust the 2 legs so that it forms this posture. Next, use the AWL to start picking the fur. Pick out the fuzz from the gaps in the pipe cleaners. Be careful when picking. Watch out not to prick your hand. Be as detailed as possible when picking. The better the picking, the better the subsequent crafting result will be. The more detailed the picking, the better the final effect. Body section. You can move the arms, making it easier to pick out the fur for the belly. Like this. After fluffing all the fur on the body, use a steel brush to separate the fur. You can brush the fur from multiple directions. Be careful when brushing the fur. Watch out for brushing your hand. Brush open the fur on the body section. You can move the arms to make brushing the fur easier. The neck area requires more detailed brushing. Don't forget the tail section either. This completes the brushing. Take out the eyes and nose. The colors of the eyes and nose depend on the materials received. First, locate the position of the nose. It is located in the center of the face, between the two ears. Insert the nose in place. After installing the nose, position the eyes. Once positioned, remove the eyes and trim out the eye sockets. Trim the eye socket of the other eye. After trimming the eye sockets, deepen the eye sockets. After trimming out the eye sockets, place the eyes in position. Once the position is confirmed like this, apply alcohol glue to the back of the eyes. Stick them to secure. If it feels crooked, you can adjust it directly before it dries. The eyes are now glued. Next, trim the ears. You can feel the pipe cleaners in the ear area with your hand. While trimming with scissors, then trim the other ear. Trim a slanted curve behind the ears. Trim an angle. After roughly shaping the two ears, proceed to trim the shape of the face. Roughly trim the outline of the face. Then finely trim the facial features. First, trim the bridge of the nose. Use scissors to shorten the fur above the nose. Next, trim the forehead. Trim it like this. Then trim the mouth area. You can cut a small slit in the middle. Trim the face. Trim the other side using the same method. The shape of the chin has a slight curve. Trim it like this. Then, trim out the ear concha. After trimming the ear concha, trim the back of the head. After trimming the back of the head, next, trim the body. You can lift the arms to facilitate trimming. When trimming the body, try to trim gradually, avoiding cutting the fur too short at once. You can use scissors to pick out the fur before trimming. Trim the tail. The overall trimming is complete. Next, begin coloring. Before coloring, place paper on the table to prevent soft pastel from staining. 2 colors of soft pastel are needed. First, use the lighter color. Then take another sheet of paper. Take out the soft pastel. Scrape out an appropriate amount of powder. Put the remaining soft pastel back into the bag. Take out the main body. Introduction to coloring tools. Cotton swabs can be used to apply color. Brushes can also be used. If you have a brush, it is recommended to use it. The coloring results will be better. Take out the coloring tool. I use a cotton swab here for coloring. Dip into the soft pastel. Blend it on paper before applying. Refer to the coloring area shown in the instruction manual for guidance. Also apply color to an area on the tail. The light camel color has been applied. Next, take out another soft pastel. Scrape out an appropriate amount of powder. Put it back into the bag. After coloring, proceed to make the accessories. Take out the elastic pom-poms and a toothpick. Glue together 3 of the pom-poms. Wait for it to dry. Then cut the toothpick. Arrange it. Find a suitable length. Cut it off. Then glue it together. You can cut a small notch at the top to create a bitten effect. The sugar-coated Haws on a stick is complete. Open the jump ring. Thread the bell through. Close the ring. Then thread the ribbon through. Done. These are the completed main body and accessories. Place it first. After confirming the position, apply glue to the back. Fix it in place. Then wrap the ribbon around. Then cut off the excess ribbon. The Calico cat is now completed.